Hi, Wissam humans. Nice to have you join the fun. In this morning vlog, we wanted to find the value of this expression 78 divided by 1 over 53, then times 53. Let's go and start solving the problem. We have 53 divided by 53, which equals 1. So here we have just 1, and 78 divided by 1 equals 78. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, we have to do this division first, not this multiplication. So let's start the correct solution. 78 divided by 1 over 53. To do this division, write down the 78 and change the division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 53 over 1, which gives 53. And here again we have times 53. 78 times 53 gives us 4,134. So 4,134 times 53, which equals 219,102. And so our final answer to this problem is just 219,102. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell.